I'm stopping crying,
Good morning.
it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight.
Sleeping now.
I will protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't you cry.
Clean up.
For one so small, you seem so strong. My arms will hold you, keep you safe and warm. This bond between us can't be broken. I will be here, don't you cry. 'Cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore.
Subscribe, comment and share to me. Thank you very much.